When creating an ad in Facebook, the first thing you must do is decide your business goal and tie that to a campaign objective. On Facebook, there are 3 different campaign objective categories: awareness, consideration, and conversions. Awareness is reaching people that are not aware of your company so that they're able to become aware of your company and the products or services that you offer. Under awareness, there are 2 campaign objectives: brand awareness and reach. Brand awareness increases people's awareness of your brand or products, while reach shows your ad to as many people as possible in your target audience. The second campaign objective category, consideration, makes people think about your business more and want to find out more information. Under this category, there are 6 objectives: traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, and messages. The first objective, traffic, gets people to your company's website. Engagement gets people to like, comment, and share your company's posts. Next, app installs get people to go to the App Store and download your app. Video views will get the right audience to watch the video that you post. Lead generation will get people to fill out forms to collect information for your company about potential customers. And then lastly, messages will get potential customers to reach out to your company and send a message on Messenger, Instagram Direct, or WhatsApp. The third objective category is conversions, which encourages people to buy or use the product or service that your company offers. The 3 campaign objectives in this category are conversions, catalog sales, and store traffic. Conversions encourage people to take a specific action that you decide on your company's site. Catalog sales is used for companies that have an e-commerce presence, and this objective encourages customers to purchase products. The final campaign objective, store traffic, encourages people located near your brick and mortar stores to visit. These are the 11 campaign objectives that Facebook offers, and it's important to know what you want to achieve with your campaign before choosing an objective.